Unit 6, the respiratory system. Welcome to the amazing respiratory system. Okay, you caught me. All of the systems are amazing. Hopefully by now you're seeing how each of these systems is dependent upon each of the other systems. The flat bones of the thorax protect the trachea and lungs. The digestive system absorbs the nutrients and energy that all of the systems, including the respiratory system, depend upon, while the urinary system removes toxins from the system and regulates fluid levels so that the lungs don't become overwhelmed with fluids. And of course, the cardiorespiratory system depends on the lungs to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the lungs depend on the blood being pumped to them. They're all tied together. So, as usual with this unit, we'll start by looking at the purposes of the respiratory system. What do the lungs and the rest of the parts do? We discussed this a bit in the cardiovascular system, but we'll go a little more in depth now. Then we'll nail down the important word roots and parts that relate before we move on to a closer, in-depth look at each of the components of the system. Finally, we'll check out a few diseases and disorders that can occur. Okay, click the big red button. Time for our next adventure.